I-Democratic Alliance kusifundazwe ye-Gauteng isizwakalise ukukhathazeka kwayo ngokungacacisi kweziphathimandla ze-Gautrain njengoba Inkontileka yenkampani iBombela Concession Company iphela kuyo le nyanga. Yize uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi uhlela ukuqhubeka nobudlelwano obuhlanganisa uhulumeni kanye nezinkampani ezizimele eminyakeni ke-15 ezayo, kodwa akukho umniningwane esiveziwe mayelana nenkampani ezizimele entsha okanye uhlelo lokuhlonzwa kwayo. I-DA ithi abagibeli kanye nomnotho kudinga isiqiniseko ngokwenzekayo. Yaveza ukuthi futhi inhlelo kufanele zivuleleke kuzo zonke izinhlaka ukuze kuqiniseke ukuqhubeka kokusebenza kwalolu hlelo lukaloliwe oluyizigidigidi zamarandi.
The Democratic Alliance Gauteng is concerned about the uncertainty surrounding the future management of the Le-Gautrain as the concession agreement with the Ye-Bombela Concession Company ends in March 2026. The Le-Gautrain is one of Gauteng's most important transport assets and remains a flagship example of how well-structured public-private partnerships can deliver reliable, world-class infrastructure. Thousands of commuters rely on the system daily, and the rail link plays a critical role in supporting economic activity and reducing congestion between Joburg, Tshwane, and OR Tambo International Airport. Despite the strategic importance of the Le-Gautrain, the Gauteng provincial government has failed to provide clear details about what will happen when the current concession agreement ends. While the MEC for Roads and Transport, Njengoba, has indicated that the government intends to continue with the public-private partnership for the next 15 years, no information has been provided about who the next private partner will be and when the appointment will be finalized. The DA will monitor the process to ensure that any new concessionaire is appointed through a fair and transparent process and that the selected party has the necessary experience to manage a complex rail system of the scale. Gauteng residents deserve certainty that one of the province's most successful infrastructure projects will continue to operate efficiently and without interruption. A DA-led provincial government would ensure that long-term infrastructure partnerships are planned well in advance to avoid unnecessary uncertainty and risk.